初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I feel a bit tired.
I feel a bit tired.
我感觉有点累。
I feel a bit tired.
I feel a bit tired.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
我感觉不舒服。
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
我需要休息一下。
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
I feel much better.
I feel much better.
我感觉好多了。
I feel much better.
I feel much better.
I need more sleep.
I need more sleep.
我需要更多睡眠。
I need more sleep.
I need more sleep.
I'm a little dizzy.
I'm a little dizzy.
我有点头晕。
I'm a little dizzy.
I'm a little dizzy.
I feel cold today.
I feel cold today.
我今天感觉冷。
I feel cold today.
I feel cold today.
I need some water.
I need some water.
我需要喝点水。
I need some water.
I need some water.
I feel stressed now.
I feel stressed now.
我现在感觉有压力。
I feel stressed now.
I feel stressed now.
I'm getting better.
I'm getting better.
我正在好转。
I'm getting better.
I'm getting better.
I need fresh air.
I need fresh air.
我需要新鲜空气。
I need fresh air.
I need fresh air.
I feel weak today.
I feel weak today.
我今天感觉很虚弱。
I feel weak today.
I feel weak today.
I'm feeling okay now.
I'm feeling okay now.
我现在感觉还好。
I'm feeling okay now.
I'm feeling okay now.
I need to relax.
I need to relax.
我需要放松。
I need to relax.
I need to relax.
I feel pain here.
I feel pain here.
我这里感觉疼痛。
I feel pain here.
I feel pain here.
I'm feeling nervous.
I'm feeling nervous.
我感觉紧张。
I'm feeling nervous.
I'm feeling nervous.
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
我需要短暂休息。
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
I feel hungry now.
I feel hungry now.
我现在感觉饿了。
I feel hungry now.
I feel hungry now.
I'm not sleepy yet.
I'm not sleepy yet.
我还不困。
I'm not sleepy yet.
I'm not sleepy yet.
I need to breathe slowly.
I need to breathe slowly.
我需要慢慢呼吸。
I need to breathe slowly.
I need to breathe slowly.
I feel warm today.
I feel warm today.
我今天感觉暖和。
I feel warm today.
I feel warm today.
I'm feeling fine now.
I'm feeling fine now.
我现在感觉很好。
I'm feeling fine now.
I'm feeling fine now.
I need more energy.
I need more energy.
我需要更多精力。
I need more energy.
I need more energy.
I feel a bit sick.
I feel a bit sick.
我感觉有点不舒服。
I feel a bit sick.
I feel a bit sick.
I'm getting sleepy now.
I'm getting sleepy now.
我现在开始困了。
I'm getting sleepy now.
I'm getting sleepy now.
I need a quick nap.
I need a quick nap.
我需要小睡一会儿。
I need a quick nap.
I need a quick nap.
I feel heavy today.
I feel heavy today.
我今天感觉很沉重。
I feel heavy today.
I feel heavy today.
I'm feeling calmer now.
I'm feeling calmer now.
我现在感觉更平静了。
I'm feeling calmer now.
I'm feeling calmer now.
I need to stretch.
I need to stretch.
我需要伸展一下。
I need to stretch.
I need to stretch.
I feel sore today.
I feel sore today.
我今天感觉酸痛。
I feel sore today.
I feel sore today.
I'm not hungry now.
I'm not hungry now.
我现在不饿。
I'm not hungry now.
I'm not hungry now.
I need to drink more.
I need to drink more.
我需要多喝点水。
I need to drink more.
I need to drink more.
I feel much lighter.
I feel much lighter.
我感觉轻松多了。
I feel much lighter.
I feel much lighter.
I'm feeling normal now.
I'm feeling normal now.
我现在感觉正常了。
I'm feeling normal now.
I'm feeling normal now.
I need a quick walk.
I need a quick walk.
我需要快速走一走。
I need a quick walk.
I need a quick walk.
I feel a bit tense.
I feel a bit tense.
我感觉有点紧张。
I feel a bit tense.
I feel a bit tense.
I'm feeling sleepy again.
I'm feeling sleepy again.
我又感觉困了。
I'm feeling sleepy again.
I'm feeling sleepy again.
I need to cool down.
I need to cool down.
我需要冷静一下。
I need to cool down.
I need to cool down.
I feel a little better.
I feel a little better.
我感觉好一点了。
I feel a little better.
I feel a little better.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。